Hey guys, an update on silver. So yeah, weakness, a lot of weakness still. If I take FIBs like this, did we hit the 86 here? We have done that, so maybe probabilities have increased that we take this low. Not maybe. Indeed, probabilities have increased to take this low, so we might label this as an AB, and then a C wave yet to come, and a target box for that C wave would be starting at 54.30. Like this basically, if we take the low. Okay, it is together then with the 0.5 and the 0.618 Fibonacci level. And yeah, that's it for silver. Gold, stronger, it's still here, but today it might give an engulfing red candle here and also fall below the 20 moving estimated moving, no, not estimated, exponential moving average here on the daily, which we have been surfing on ever since here October. Once we got back above it, should we drop? I'm saying should we? Then this can be a box where we can focus on 4,000, 3,780, 3,651 together with the 0.382 FIB at 3,641. Okay, below that we have the point of control of this range at $3,338. Bitcoin has moved down. We are now at this previous swing here, approximately, okay, from the 2021 highs. Below us we have this point of control. This is the main area of interest in my opinion, 63,400. We have then the 1-to-1 FIB there as well, taken from this A wave to this B wave, or W wave to this X wave, but I think it's going to be an A and a B because this is looking like a 5 wave move down. And we have the 0.382 FIB here, so that's why this green box was here. We already talked about it. Now zooming in, we want to see a 5 wave move down in wave C. Of course, I know a lot of other analysts who do technical analysis, and yeah, some start the correction here. Like this, they say potentially A, B, C, or like W, X, Y, like this. You have a lot of ways you can interpret this, okay? But I'm just using this point of control especially as a nice level, especially if we break this swing as well. We will probably attack this point of control. And then yeah, with this retracement here, I'm using this as a B wave or an X wave. This move down here as your A wave. With that, I did calculate this 1-to-1. Of course, it will change a little bit if I take it from here or here, but ultimately it will be around these levels. Internally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in a wave 1, 2, then another 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your wave 3, 4, 5, or maybe like this was your 3, this was your 4, because it could have been a multi 1, 2 in here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, and now with one more low, your fifth, also the highest volume still here. So yep, I'm gonna put the wave 3 here. But basically your internal labeling here is done for this wave 3. Now we might get a bounce into tomorrow, into next week. And for that, I can pull these fibs. Yeah, I need the magnet here. this. And for this wave 4 then, we have these levels to watch. To the upside, okay, for resistance 73.6, 76.6, 79.0. From there, of course, you want to make one more low. This may take some time, okay. Make one more low, reach potentially this point of control, and from there we might want to start to look at signs of strength, okay. And of course, you want to see a 5-wave move up first and then a correction that holds. That would be your first step, okay? Trying to catch the bottom is difficult. Waiting for a 5-wave move and then a correction that holds is easier. But this is the plan here. And yeah, it's following it nicely. We've talked about it ever since we were here and we showed weakness here. And yeah, Bitcoin is like a risk asset indicator kind of thing. You can look at it that way. You could have, like, we could have known better. Look, this looks bad, Nvidia looks bad, Google looks like it needs to correct. With bad, I mean they need to correct the chart and the wave structure asked for it. We could have anticipated this week maybe a little bit better in general, but it's okay. It's also like I'm not trading, I'm just holding positions for the long term. I just like following the charts as a hobby and I want to trade later, but on my long-term portfolio, I don't want to change too much every day, you know. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.